Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance called Heaven's Jukebox. The choreographers are Jose Miguel Bellicue and Willie Brown. It's 32 counts, high beginner, 4 walls, 1 restart. The music is a song called Heaven's Jukebox and it's by Jaden Hamilton. And I am dancing with an injured ankle. I'm getting over an injury, but it's still not 100%, so you may notice that I'm not dancing full out. But we want to get this out for you. All right, so we're going to start with a cross rock on a right foot. On a diagonal, you're going to say rock, recover, and a side shuffle or a chassé or a triple, step, together, step, leading into a weave, over, out, under, out. So it looks and counts like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, over 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to move over a little bit for the second count of 8. So on the diagonal, take your left foot. So this is 12. You're stepping right over here to about 130. You're going to go step, tap your right toe back, 2. And on 3, turn to face at 6 o'clock. 3, touch your left foot in 4. 2 moves to your left, left, touch, step right, left, touch right. Okay, I'm going to go over that again and I'll turn it at a different wall to make sure you can see it. So the second count of 8 is a step to an angle on 1, touch the right foot, 2, half a turn right foot, 3, touch the left foot, 4, travel to your left, step, together, step, touch. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let me turn it on a side so you can see that. So if I'm here, the angle will be 1, 2, half, 3, 4, left, right, left, tap. Okay? What do I do from the top? So we have those first 2 8s. 6, 7, 8, crossing 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, weaving 5, 6, 7, step and touch on 1, 2, right, 3, touch, left, step, 5 together, 6, step, 7, tap, 8. All right, I'm going to go on to the next count of 8, and it's a rumba box. I'm going to turn my back to make sure you know it, you can see it. So I would have just been going this way, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to step to the side, 1, 2, triple forward, right, take it to the left, 5, 6, and back, 7, and 8. So we're doing 2 steps, step, step, cha, 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 step, step, cha, cha, cha. First time we do it, we are here at 6 o'clock where it will go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? From here, I'm at the proper wall now. We're going to rock. Take our right foot and rock back, recover left, step forward on your right, on count 3, half turn to your left, 4. So now you're back where you started. Okay? Now, you're going to take it forward again. We're going to go rock, recover, rock back, follow your left shoulder, and step side. This is my new wall. All right, so I'm going to talk you through that again, and then I'll show it at a different angle. So you've just finished your rumba box, and you've done your shuffle back. You're weighted on your left. Rock, recover. You're going to step back on your right, recover forward, step right on 4, turn left. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that rotation all follows the left shoulder. Watching it on a diagonal, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you'll notice you're weighted here on that left foot. That allows you to do your cross rock because guess what? That's the end of the dance. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the beginning nice and slow and do it all the way through. And I'm going to do it at a couple different walls so that you can get those angles in. All right? Here we go. Start with this right foot with a cross rock. 7, 8, we go 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Weave 5, 6, 7, diagonal step left. 1, touch 2, half turn. 3, tap the left, go to your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to step together, cha, 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 side together, cha, cha, rock back on the right. 1, 2, half turn, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start again. Go 1, 2, triple 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7. Step left. Go step, tap, half, touch, step, together, step, touch. Go side together, triple step, side together, back 7 and 8. Rock, recover, half, turn, rock, recover, rock and turn. And that's how we do the dance. Now there is a restart that happens 2 eighths in on wall 6. All right? So we know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you are facing 9 o'clock, second time around, you're going to dance 2 eighths and restart it. So let's go over that. So we're here, starting from the front with a rock recover. 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, weaving 5, 6, 7, 8, second 8, tap, 3, 4, step together, step, tap it in so that you can go rock, recover. So you want to just make sure that you don't wake that foot, because usually you will for the rest of it. Okay? That's the whole thing. All right? So I think it's time to dance it with music. So I'm going to turn around so we can get started on that. Remember, bum ankle. Here we go, across the right. Weave. Step, tap, turn right and tap, travel left, step together, step. Side 2 of the box. Back. Rock it back and turn it. Rock, recover, turn left. Beginning. Step and tap. To the right. Rock, turn. Start again. Your chin 6 o'clock. Step tap, turn to 12. Rock. Here we go. So again. You're 3. From the box, slide. Do it. 12. All right, we're now at a restart wall. This is 6 wall. 1 more 8. 5, 6, 7, restart. Take your weave. Drop it out. Turn it. Start again. Slide right and go to the box.
Two-step tomorrow night long. I'll keep on rocking so them good times ain't stopping for eternity. If heaven's got a jukebox, if heaven's got a jukebox, that's where I'll be.
So that's how we do Heaven's Jukebox. And thank you for forgiving that ankle. If I can do it, you can do it. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate that. Feel free to share this video, let everybody know about it. And I will see you on the dance floor. Thanks.